How to create an health bar. Hi guys, let's create a health bar. To do that guys, let's go to the canvas and then click right and choose UI and then slider. So here is the slider. Let's move it to the middle top of the screen guys. So to do that, let's select it and let's put it here, just in the same line of the score. And guys, just be sure that you are in the middle of the center here. So guys, then let's open this slider. Let's call it, for example, health bar, SLD for slider. And guys, we don't really need this handle here guys. We will erase it, so just click right and choose delete. And then guys, we will even take these things, so to do that, to take this round, you just need to choose the fill here, and in the width here you have to put the number of 0. So now it's disappeared. Let's even change guys the background. So the backgrounds guys, for instance, it is in white color. Let's change it on black color. Okay, like that. And guys, now we will take interest of the fill. So guys, the fill we will put, we have to choose here guys. You can see now that here is the fill. When it was to the 1, it is to the maximum, and when it is to the value 0, it's to the minimum. So guys, we will change the color of this filling. So to do that, choose the fill here and change the color, for example, in green. So let's take this part. And guys, now let's be sure that the green part recover all the black part. So to do so, you have to choose the scale mode here, the scale tools, and let's increase here. Okay, just be sure that we are totally above the black part. Okay guys, I think everything is fine, for instance. So guys, if we go to the game window, everything seems to be good. I mean, we've got the score and even the health bar. Let's manage this health bar guys in the next video. To create an health bar, first use the UI slider. Second, delete the handle. Third, change the background in black color. Fourth, change the fill color in green.